Turn left, right, when you get to the big propeller. Oh, Ratchet, I can't read this. It says, no, that's not right. It's left. Oh, Ratchet, where are we? I think we're lost. Stay close, Ratchet. It's creepy down here.
He's late. I drew a perfectly good map. Well, there was a few smudges on it, okay. I went outside the line with the green crayon, but not that much.
Oh, Dad.
Child,
Hey,
read
Rita.
that map.
They never laid a paw on me.
Oh, wait. What if he comes and he's huge and mean?
Excuse me, sir.
It's the FBI! I didn't do it! I didn't do it! I was framed! Oh,
What? Listen, little girl, this is a tough neighborhood. You better go home.
I can't. I'm lost.
Aw, gee, lost. Well, I'd help you, but I'm kind of busy right now. What are you doing down here anyway?
I came to find my kitty.
Your kitty?
Somebody stole him.
But, are you sure? Maybe you made a mistake.
No.
Maybe.
No, somebody stole him and sent me this note. See?
easy, boys.
I'm lost. Look, I even brought this to get him back.
Oh, you brought a piggy bank.
That's all I have.
That's awful.
I know. And what kind of a person would steal a poor little kitty?
But I mean, maybe he was up against the wall at the end of his rope. He must have been a poor, desperate man.
It's still wrong. And I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Neither do I. Hey, guess what? I found a little lost kitten. I don't know. Take a look. Maybe he's yours.
Oliver! Oliver! Oh, my Oliver!
Sykes. Sykes! I was to the end. Hey, wait! What are you doing? No, wait! You can't do that!
Keep your mouth shut. Consider our account closed.
Stop! Time out!
What happened?
You okay, kid?
Jenny? He took Jenny!
Don't worry. We'll get it back.
You will?
Hey, positively, kid.
Come on, man, let's go! Come on, let's
All right.
get her, man!
Let's do it.